Hi, this is Penney'S place, and I'm going to give you a big update on everything that's been happening since my last bird video. I want to tell you that we lost Petey, the Quaker that sang and danced and everything, and we feel real bad about that. Not a lot we can do. But there has been a great expansion in our family, and I want to introduce you to everybody new. We'll start with parakeets here. Sandy has had one new one. You can see the yellow in the back. She's had one new addition, and she's got some in her nest. Down here we have two new ones. This is Spirit, the little white one, and she's an albino. He's an albino. He's got red eyes. And this is Chester, and he actually chose his own name. Here he is over there. And these are the parents, Snow, and that's Kit. Where did she go? That's Kit on the back of the cage. She's got 3 more in the nest. This is how much the fish have grown since you've seen them last. They're getting pretty big. Let's go outside. There's lots of additions out here, so let's take a look inside the birdhouse. And let's go on in. First off, you remember Pepper, my Condor. She now has a little buddy, and his name is Jerry. Get a closer look at Jerry. He's pretty small. Hi, Jerry. Jerry is a red-breast Condor, and Pepper up here is a green check. So we still have Pepper. And of course we have quite a few parakeets here in this cage. And this is a new addition as of about a little over a week ago. This is Raider. Right, Raider? Say hello to everybody. So this bird was given to us. This is a cockatiel. Alright, so we're going to slide over here. Now, these are my 2 replacements since I lost Petey. These 2 Quakers here. I don't know if you can see them real good. And these guys, if I can turn it so you can see. This is Heckle and Jekyll. I was trying to find a way. There they are. Heckle and Jekyll. Alright. And they're not quite a year old yet. There was 1 male and 1 female. And then we have these 2 here that were given to me, if I can find them. This is Lalo and Stitch. If I can. These are 2 more Quakers here. Lalo and Stitch. Right? And they're just kind of shy. These guys came with along with the cockatiel, so they're pretty friendly. I mean, but they're kind of shy of it. I see they're not used to a camera. And so our family has increased quite a bit with all these new Quakers here. And then we've got Jerry, and of course there's an expansion of our parakeets, because we've got one baby that had the splayed foot. There is right there, that blue one. And he's in with general population now. And of course we've got Raider, a cockatiel, right, Raider? And so I thought I would introduce you to the new family. It has expanded, and we're still praying for Petey. We miss him terribly. A very talented bird, and we really hope that we see him again. Petey flew off my shoulder right in here, and he took off over there. And he went into those trees right across from our house. And even though we found him, we didn't get him back. But we're praying every day. And I hope you all have a great day. And I wanted to introduce you to our new expanded family. And have a great summer. And we'll see you again. Take care.